morning, students. Welcome to the channel Change the World. This is Suraj. So the last class we discussed about the rational numbers, how to reduce the rational numbers into its lowest form. Okay. Today we are going to discuss the another topic, one important topic, finding square root of a polynomial by long division method. Okay. So listen carefully, observe carefully, and solve the sums sincerely put in the group. Okay, so let's go to the video. Welcome to the video. Good morning. 10th Maths, 3rd chapter, algebra. In that one important topic, finding square root by division method. Finding the square root of a polynomial by division method. Exercise 3.8 in that first sum. For example, x power 4 minus 12x cube plus 42x square minus 36x plus 9 is the question. So first of all, we have to check the powers of the variable, which are in descending order or ascending order. Here it is in descending order. See, x power 4, x cube, x square, and then x power 1. Here x power 0 will be 1, then constant term 9 only. So in such cases, the question will be shuffled by the orders. So at that time, you have to arrange the powers in descending order. And is there any missing number? For example, x square term is not there. Then we have to add 0 x square in that case. So here no problem. It's all in the correct order. Okay. So first of all, make like this and write the given polynomial inside the division symbol. X power 4 minus 12x cube plus 42x square minus 36x plus 9. Okay. So here 3 stages of divisions are there. Here first stage, second stage, third stage. So in the first stage, let's see. Let's start the division. Here first term is x power 4. So first term x power 4, we have to find the square root at first. So square root of x power 4, we can calculate x power 4 square root. So x power 4 square root, we know that it will be x square. The square root of x power 4 is x square. So we can start with the x square. Like this, we can write x square in the question part also. At the same time, the same x square in the divisor part. Here also x square, here also x square. Okay. Then multiplying this x square into x square, multiplying this x square into x square, you will get x power 4 that you can write here under the x power 4. So here x power 4 is in the charge, positive charge. You can change the sign and add these two terms. Change the sign and add these two terms. So it will be 0 here. X power 4 minus x power 4 will be 0 here. So the first stage of division is completed here with a single term. So remaining cube terms are the square term, x term and constant term. These remaining terms you have to rewrite the second stage like this. So listen carefully. Minus 12x cube plus 42x square minus 36x plus 9. Minus 12x cube plus 42x square minus 36x plus 9. So let's start the second stage of division. So here we have to write two terms as a divisor. So the first term we can find out by adding the two position numbers, position terms. Here is x square and another one is x square. So adding this two x square, you will get the first term here. So x square plus x square, you can write 2x square plus x square, 2x square. And one more term will be here that we have to find out by using the first term of polynomial, cubic polynomial inside the second stage, that is 12x cube. So this 12x cube is divided by this 2x square. This 12x cube is divided by this 2x square. That we have to find out. So let's see that. Minus 12x cube divided by 2x square. So 2 we can cancel 6 times in 12. Here x square 2 times. Here cube remaining 1x will come. So you get minus 6x. That minus 6x we can write here. At the same time, here also you have to write minus 6x. Minus 6x minus 6x. After that, multiply by this minus 6x to these two terms. And result you are right here under these two terms. Let's see. Minus into plus minus 6 into 2, 12, x into x square, x cube. Okay. Then second term, minus into minus plus 6 into 6, 36, x into x, x square. Okay. So change the sign. That is, here minus is a symbol, you have to convert into plus. Here plus is the chance, convert into minus. After the addition, you will get the terms for third stage. Okay. Now see, minus 12 plus 12, it will be 0. So cube terms will be 0 in this stage. Here in second, x square term, 42x square minus 36x square. So you will get 6x square. 42x square minus 36x square, you will get 6x square. So remaining two terms you are to write here, minus 36x plus 9. Okay. Now third stage of division starts here. 6x square plus minus 36x plus 9. So here we have to write three terms. So in that three terms, first term is 2x square itself, no more changes, that you can write in 2x square. Okay. Then second term, so listen here, for minus 6x and minus 6x is written by in the second stage. So this minus 6x and minus 6x you have to add, and the result you have to take it as a second term. Okay. So minus 6x plus minus 6x, you can write minus 12x. So first term okay, second term okay. So one more term you have to find out here, that we have to find as well as by using the first term 6x square and 2x square. So 6x square divided by 2x square. Let's see, 6x square divided by 2x square. Okay. So x square cancel. 2 table you can cancel, you get 3. So charge is plus positive. So you can write plus 3 on both sides. Plus 3 here and also plus 3 here. So multiply these 3 to the 3 terms here, and the result you can write under this 6x square minus 36x plus 9. Okay. For 3 into 2, 6x square. 3 into minus 12 minus 36x. Then 3 into 3, 9 plus 9. So last third stage we got all the terms are equal, same. After subtraction or changing the sign, addition, you will get 0. So remainder will be 0. So after getting the remainder 0, the division process is completed. Long division process is completed. So we got the question answer, x square minus 6x plus 3. So this is the square root value of the given polynomial, x square minus 6x plus 3. That you should write in the modulus symbol, absolute value. Okay, modulus symbol. So x square minus 6x plus 3 is the square root. So the square root of this polynomial having 4 degree is quadratic polynomial, x square minus 6x plus 3. So this is a method of finding square root of polynomial by long division method. Mainly 3 stages of division. Remember that first stage you have to use one term only, second term 2 terms, and third term 3 terms. Okay, and finally you get 0. If you are not getting 0 finally, the given polynomial is not a perfect square or perfect root square number. Okay, and one important thing is, in the given question, is there any missing term, missing number? We have to adjust with the 0 coefficients and arrange the powers in descending order, or otherwise you can arrange the term in ascending order also. Okay, so I hope you understand the methods how to find the square root of a polynomial. Clear? So we have some examples and exercise sums in the book in the same method, same manner. So the first term square root only you have to understand first. Okay, some cases the first term starts with 16x power 4 here instead of x power 4. In this case we have to find the square root of 16x power 4. At that time you will get 4x square. Okay, 4x square. Sometimes it will be here 9x power 4. So you will get a 3x square. Sometimes it will be here 16x power 4. Then you have to write 4x square, so on. Okay, that depends on the question. So here these are the homework or test for you. Exercise 3.8, first Romans, second question, third question, fourth question. Okay, and one example sum also. Here 37x square minus 28x cube plus 4x power 4 plus 42x plus 9. The powers are not in order. Okay, so first you have to write 4x power 4 and then minus 28x cube and then 37x square and then 42x and finally plus 9. You have to arrange the term at first. Okay, 4x power 4 will be the first term, 2x square you can start. Here power 4 is the square term, is the constant, is there is no cube term and x term. So in that you have to rearrange the question like this: 16x power 4 plus 0x cube plus 8x square plus 0x plus 1. Okay, 121x power 4 minus 198x cube minus 183x square 216x plus 144. Here you can start with 4x square. Here you can start with 11x square. In this case you can start with 8x square. 8x square you can start. Okay. So all the sums are in powers are in descending order only, no problem. So it's all of the sums you have to work out and you have to put in the group, the answers. Don't forget that. Okay. I hope understand you. It's clear. Is there any doubt? You come to the group and ask me. Have a nice day. Thank you.